Yeah, I was just trying to show you this one. This is the book I was trying to show you. Yeah. Yes. Kajal Singh, can you please read what is shown on the screen? Role of
Yes,
AA. Yeah.
role of AO in the operation of branch. In underwriting of policies and premium fixation, when there is policy lapsing and a crucial role is revival of policy. Policy surrenders, claims department, actuaries, and LIC AAO relation and impact in his work. Pre-lookup period, evaluation, and settlement of premiums paid, agency commission, and other admin works. Role of AAO in various sectors, departments in insurance. Underwriting of policies to review the process of acceptance of risks through underwriting process, ensure timely policy proposal and reducing the turnaround time in policy handover to customer, scrutinize the KYC, evaluate and test the effectiveness of internal controls in place to ensure timely and accurate insurance policy adherence to the IRDA Act and rules and regulations made thereunder. Policy lapsing and revival. Discontinuation of policy owing to non-payment of premium dues is known as lapse. A lapsed policy ceases to provide insurance protection to the insured. Terms and conditions of the policy stipulate that where the premium is not paid within the grace period, the policy lapses but may be revived during the lifetime of the life assured. Role of AAO in policy lapsing and revival. Check and confirm that due dates are recorded. This will be done during the policy entering underwriting itself and they are checked properly and policies are marked as lapsed on. Non-receipt of renewal premium within grace period, which if needed, required needs to be followed up with the customers in licensing with development officer executive as customer retention is also important. Second, in case of revival request, check for the dues to be obtained and collect all the adequate documents is obtained before reviving the policy. Policy surrender. Voluntary termination of the insurance contract before expiry of the term of the contract is known as a surrender of policy. A policy becomes eligible for surrender on completion of 3 years from the commencement of policy, provided that 3-year premium have been paid within the due dates. Second, the policy holder has to submit surrender request from duly signed off by him along with the original policy documents and the discharge vouchers. Role of AAO in policy surrender. First, to check and confirm that surrender requests are received from the policyholder only. Second, to check that adequate controls are in place to ensure proper verification process for checking of requests, scrutinizing of KYC, verification of the same, whether premiums are paid on regular basis. Second, third, to check whether surrender amount is paid only to the policyholder and is paid only as per terms and conditions, to check whether appropriate accounting entries are passed. Next, underwriting and premium fixation. Next, premium fixations and payment of premium account section.
I think they are repeating some points. Yeah. Premium refers to, we will go to Sana Ansari. Sana, premium refers to, Sana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please read. Premium refers to.
Premium refers to consideration received by insurance company from the policy holder. Premium income is recognized as new business premium, premium received for the first policy year, and renewal premium, premium received for subsequent policy years. Premium received but not identifiable against any policy would be treated as unallocated premium or suspense amount. Role of role of AO in the following: collection of the premium, to check existence of appropriate mechanism to ensure all the collections are deposited into the bank on timely basis. To check whether there is a daily reconciliation process to reconcile the amounts collected, entered into the system and deposited into the bank. Calculation of a premium, to ensure and check that accounting system calculates the premium amounts and due dates correctly, even if in a case of advance, and also if in case of delays, the gap period delay must be calculated accordingly. To check that system is equipped to calculate all types of premium modes correctly, and also to select the correct mode of premium payment method, if cash or NACH or check or UPI or internet banking facility. Recognition of income, ensure that premium is recognized only on the basis of issued policies. To check whether system has capability to identify regular and advance premium, and make sure it gets adjusted to the respective policy account only. To check and facilitate the receivable of a premium which is paid in advance, and also to ensure whether there is a process of applying advance premium to an insurance contract when premium is due. Claims department. Claims in policy refers to the demand of benefits either maturity at the end of the policy tenure as defined and contracted or agreement earlier between the two parties, survival benefit and the death benefit. Claims claims lodge, uh, claims lodgement and processing would be scrutinized and help in speedy claim processing. Authority for approval of claims and follow up for the claim processing. Review of payouts and disbursements. Review of compliance of to the statutory requirements and applicable IRIDA regulations. Review of reporting of claims, and also if in a case of ad hoc requirements, as and when asked for, AAO would pass on the information to his downliners and ensure that under no cost customer nor the company reputation is under risk. Role of AO in claims. Review policy document and all necessary documents required for the claim settlement process, like death certificate, legal heir certificate, and if in case of a policy lost, an indemnity also needs to be given, and make sure that all are genuine and in force, and also to ensure that it prescribes documentary evidence evidence needed to support a claim. Ensure that a register of claims is maintained in which every claim is entered along with details. Review.
Just a minute. Review.
Review the reasons for the rejections in case of a rejection of claims and their ejection.
No, and the rejection.
Oh, sorry. And the rejection should be duly intimated to the customer, and record of conveying of details should also be noted in register. Ensure complete recording of all claims received. Ensure that appropriate provisioning or and categories are defined and has been carried out. In cases of claims intimated but not paid, ensure that cost of claims includes the claims settlement cost, and ensure there is no excess or shortage. Ensure there is a system of regular reconciliation is carried out between claims management system and general ledger. Only tell if you are having accounts background. Ensure that liability of claims includes the claims settlement cost, and ensure there is no excess or shortage. Ensure that there is a system of regular reconciliation is carried out between the claims. Sorry, Samir,
Yeah, you are reading second time. So you read this one only. Ensure that the liability of claims.
Yes, sir. Sorry for that. Ensure that liability of a claims should be booked net of reinsurance if valid for
If
acceptance
availed,
of
if availed.
if availed if availed for acceptance of a business and the profits is equal to underwriter.
Role of underwriter in insurance.
Role of a underwriter in insurance. Insurance underwriter analyzes and assesses the risks in providing insurance to individuals and companies and establishes the pricing of the insurance premium. Underwriters use software, data from actuaries, and statistical analysis in order to evaluate the risk of a future event that would require the insurance company to compensate an insured individual. Underwriter assesses the risk and determines the premium to be charged. The function of the underwriter is to acquire or to write business that will bring money to insurance company and to protect the company's business from risks that they feel will make a loss. Role of AO in a review of internal control. To review the process of acceptance of a risk through the underwriting process and make sure that the risk selection and the policy selection is according to the risk exposed. Health factors, social conditions, and the premium is also determined according to these factors. Evaluate and test the effectiveness of internal controls in place to ensure timely and accurate insurance policy adherence to the IRIDA Act and rules and regulations made there under internal controls.
There under. Correct. Continue.
Review of internal control. Issue of a proper acknowledgement, policy document, and risk should be acknowledged and made sure that uh, that no risk is accepted without the acceptance of a premium. Once the premium is accepted, it denotes the commencement of a risk. Policy underwritten by appropriate sanctioning authority only. Actuaries and LIC AO relation. Actuary means a person qualified to calculate financial and commercial impact and valuation of uncertainty and risk of future events by using advanced techniques and models based on future scenarios under financial, economic, social, demographic, technology, and probabilistic situations. Traditionally, actuaries work in the area of insurance where risk and uncertainty is at highest levels. Within the insurance domain, actuaries are involved in product design and pricing, valuation of liabilities and reserves, asset liability management, research and analysis. Actuaries also play key role in the valuation of pensions, annuities, employees benefits, social security, health benefits, government scheme, and investment. Role of actuaries in life insurance business is to concentrate on following key areas. First,
Product development.
product development and pricing. Second one is model development. Third, statutory valuations and reserving. Business planning. Fifth, solvency management. Sixth one is management reporting on various business valuations and profitability models. Role of AO in line with actuary. Certify whether the actuarial valuation of liabilities in this case, the policy insurance is duly certified by the appointed actuary, including to the effect that the assumptions for a such
Valuation.
valuation are in accordance with the guidance and norms issued by IRIDA. For this purpose, AAO generally rely on the certificate issued by the appointed actuary certifying the policy liabilities. However, he may discuss with the actuaries with respect to process followed and assumptions made by him before certifying the policy liabilities. Free lookup period. Free look cancellation is an option wherein policyholder has a period of 15 days from date of receipt of a policy document to review the term and conditions, and in case of any disagreement, he or she has the option to return the policy. Free look cancellation requests can be received through any mode. In case of a return letters, signature of a policy holder should match with the original proposal form. FLC request is processed when policy holder is not satisfied with term and condition of the policy document. FLC refund is paid either by check or direct transfer to bank account. Role of AO in FLC. Check and confirm that every look cancellation requests are received within 15 days from receipt of policy document by the policy holder. To verify signatures of the policy holder and processing of a free look cancellation request within time defined by the insurer. To check recording of appropriate accounting entries for refund. Agency commission. Agency commission contributes towards a significant portion of the expense incurred by the insurance commission. Commission is payable towards the generation of a new business and towards the settlement of a renewal premium.
Should be, I think, insurance company, not commission. Insurance company.
Okay,
Yeah,
so insurance.
Yeah, company. Role of AAO role.
Role of AO, role of AO in agency commission. Review the system established by the insurer with respect to calculation of a commission to eligible agents accurately and processing the same in a timely manner. Review the commission payment system is in a sync with the premium collection system. Check whether commission paid is within the limit prescribed under Insurance Act. Check whether commission is clawed back, recalled on the cancelled policies. Validate and check the completeness of a commission processing system.
Territorial jurisdiction. So this is, yeah, ये तो बात में पढ़ लीजिए, बस, that's all. I think this is a very big document, nearly 10 pages. So they have repeated the same points again and again. If in the interview they are going to ask you question of role of AAO, you can't be giving this much big. I think we saw another one in the chat GPT where they have given very briefly, and we have posted a video also on that. You can go through that and update your knowledge so that you can present it briefly. Yeah, good. Kajal, yeah, Mantu Ansari has come. Yeah, Mantu Ansari, whatever documents you gave me, I have loaded into our folder. You know that.
Yes,
yeah.
sir, I've seen the message.
Yeah. Ram, are you watching all the videos we are posting? Every day we are posting one video or other. So you please watch the videos and update your knowledge, because you can't
Yes,
read.
sir.
At least listen properly so that you can understand them. Good.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes, sir.
Now,
Thank
next one. What should we read? 1 minute. So we have done this role of AAO. That one we have covered. Then most common. What is the other one you gave me, Mantu?
The future of insurance.
Future of insurance. This is the one you gave me. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, future of insurance. So, Mr. Mantu, can you start reading it? Come on. Future of
Yes.
insurance.
Yes, sir.
Please read. Yeah.
Future of insurance industry by technology, insurtech, artificial intelligence, blockchain. Insurance fraud,
Yeah.
definition, type, recovery from insurance fraud. Future of the insurance industry by technology. InsurTech refer to the use of technological advancement in the insurance sector
Model.
model in order to save money and improve efficiency. The word insurance and technology are combined to form the phrase InsurTech. By utilizing the most recent insurance technology, InsurTech or more particularly, InsurTech company can save cost for both customer and insurer. Both operational,
No, boost.
both customer and
No,
insurer boost.
both nahi baba. Boost operational effectiveness.
Sahi, both customer and insurer boost operational effectiveness and enhance the entire customer experience. To encourage the development of insurance products that are responsive to emerging risks, enable customized coverage and pricing solution to address macro risk like climate change or cyber risk, and promote future resilience. InsurTech is changing how real-time and predictive data can be captured and used. Artificial intelligence in insurance. Fraud prevention, early fraud detection, customer analysis, tailored and cheaper insurance, claim management, faster claims processing, operations saving time. AI in insurance. AI offer insurer the ability to acquire experience, meeting the highest speed demands of modern consumers. The key is to use AI ability to make most of the vast amount of customer data that are already available to develop customized user experience based on a person behavior and habits. Insurer can use AI to speed up the processing of claims and fundamentally alter the underwriting procedure. Insurance company can now access data more quickly thanks to AI, and removing the need for human intervention can lead to more accurate reporting in shortened periods of time.
Yeah.
Blockchain technology has the ability to
No. Blockchain powered insurance. It's a new thing for me. I'm seeing now only. Simplified claims management, enhanced trust, transparency, and efficiency, then improved risk and fraud management, then streamlined processes. Continue. Blockchain technology.
Blockchain technology has the ability to transfer the way transactions are handled, and the insurance industry is following this technology. This technology would handle the settlement and transition between investor and insurance, exploring the possibility of distribute ledger to simplify paperwork and reconciliation for reinsurance contract, speed of information and cash flow, and significantly improve auditability is another related endeavor being undertaken by insurer and reinsurer. Social media data mining is enhancing risk management, enhancing fraud detection capability, and enabling completely new customer experiences. Social media can be used by insurance technology to look into fraud. Insurance company can examine insured social media behavior and compare it to claims history to spot any difference. Telematics in insurance.
Here, insurance telematics. What is this? Car, key, then money, then I don't know. Come on, please read. In the auto insurance industry.
In the auto insurance industry, telematics is useful to track, store, and transfer driving related data. This data comes in handy to understand the driving behavior and charge appropriate vehicle insurance rate. Telematic usage-based insurance requires vehicle information that is automatically transmitted to the tracking system. This provides a much more immediate feedback loop to the driver by changing the cost of insurance dynamically with a change of risk.
I don't know. In India, are we charging based on the driver's license? because I know in foreign countries like America and Canada, if you are having
Yes,
a
sir.
car and if you have done an accident, then for you the premium will be higher. But I don't know. Please check up from some of you who are there. You talk to some agents who are dealing with motor insurance and check up whether it is linked to the driving license of the person. Because in India, as long as I was taking my scooter license, I was using my own driving license. There was no problem. There was no prohibition that my scooter should not be driven by another person, except that the condition is he must have a valid driving license to drive the vehicle. I don't know. Sana Ansari and Mantu Ansari, please check up on this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Continue, Mantu. Insurance fraud.
Frauds. The
Hmm.
term insurance fraud refers to fraudulent activities that plague the insurance sector and are committed by and towards insurance company. Such fraud is committed in various branches of the insurance industry, from health insurance to motor insurance and others.
Yeah, it is
Type-
it is very large, you know, Bob. This motor vehicle or insurance industry में fraud बहुत कुछ है and in huge amounts.
Yes, sir.
And I don't know, I have not come across the details, but सुना है बहुत कुछ पैसा चलता है इसका बीच में advocates make money and in the lot of accidents take place. The money should be given to the victims and victims' families. But पैसा तो पूरा उनका नहीं जाएगा, जो बीच में काम कर रहे हैं ये लोग ज्यादा का ज्यादा पैसा उठा लेते हैं. Correct. The term insurance frauds.
The term, say, types of insurance fraud.
Yeah. Please read.
Policyholder claim fraud. This type of fraud is committed against the insurance company during an insurance product purchase or execution. It includes frauds initiated at the time of making insurance claim. For instance, falsifying a pre-policy report to hide pre-existing diseases while purchasing health insurance comes under this category. Intermediary fraud. This is a fraud that is perpetrated by insurance agent, corporate agents.
That is committed by insurance agents.
Corporate agents, third-party administrator, and intermediaries against either the insurance company or policyholder or both. Internal fraud. When fraud is committed against an insurance company by its director, manager, and or other staff member or officer, it is considered internal fraud. Recovery from insurance fraud. To ensure that you don't end up committing insurance frauds, be mindful of these points. Do not fabricate documents to meet the terms and conditions associated with insurance to avoid paying the highest premiums. Never submit forged or inflated bills. It is your responsibility to inform insurer if you hold other policy. You can't use multiple insurance company paying claim as a way to earn profit. Refrain from participating in fraud rings wherein you form a coalition against insurance company to make false claim. Lastly, do not fake an accident to collect compensation for medical expenses, as it is fraudulent behavior.
Yeah. So that's all. Very good. This is also a good document. So this 5-page and that one insurance, that is future of frauds. These two are very valid documents. So kindly और एक बार आप लोग पढ़ लीजिए, so that आप 15 पेज पढ़ने का बाद में you must be able to tell within half a page the content, because इंटरव्यू में तो आपको ज्यादा समय नहीं मिलेगा. ये 5 पेजेस का मटेरियल को आप हाफ पेज में देना, 10 पेजेस का मटेरियल 1 पेजेस का अंदर में ले आना, so that you present it briefly to the interviewer. Understand? Ram, you have not been attending classes for a long time.
So not so long. I think 2 classes or 3, not more than that.
Nine.
Uh-huh.
Minimum
Oh.
5-6 days. No.
Oh.
You show
Oh,
me.
really?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You have been you are
Oh.
not seen at all. I don't know. Ansari,
Okay.
Sana Ansari will know. Sana Ansari, Ram, how many days we are missing him?
सर 4-5 दिन तो हो ही गए
हाँ 4-5 दिन हो गया जी. Ram,
5, 6.
no, 4-5 means 4-5.
Oh, एक दो तीन चार. Okay.
Yeah.
4, 5.
4-5 means 4-5. Doesn't matter. What? Any problem? You are not well?
No, sir. Actually, the time was changed. I think so. I'm not aware of the change in timing.
But
So
I am posting that everyday timings in our WhatsApp group. You
yeah,
have now joined WhatsApp group, na?
yesterday only I joined in the WhatsApp group.
Oh,
That is
now
what the problem. I'm
year
not
after you will get it. Year after you will
Yeah,
get it every day. No problem.
Sure.
Every day I am posting nowadays Hindu also. Please go through that also.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Very good.
Sir,
We-
and one document just before Mantu read out, right?
Yeah.
What is the name of the document?
Frauds. This is future of insurance.
Oh,
Future
future
of insurance PDF. Now I am showing it on the screen, you see.
So it is already in our OneDrive?
Yeah. And it was
okay.
not there. It was given by Mantu and I loaded it 2 days back.
Okay. Then I will take a look at that.
Because I think I did it on Saturday. It was not there earlier.
Mhm.
Yeah, it was
Okay,
not
sir.
there earlier. Now you go through that. Very good.
Yeah,
So
sure.
a lot of things are there. And this is also a new material. A role of AAO. I think you did not come at that time. We were previously studying role of AAO. This is also a new document I have posted 2 days back.
Okay, sir.
Mantu,
I'll check it.
from where did you get these materials? From online?
Sir, no, sir, I have purchased that.
Acha. Oh, how much do they charge for this?
Sir, one mock interview and 5 to 10 PDFs, I guess. They are
Kitna-
opening day by day.
Kitna?
450.
450.
450.
Acha. Good. Very good. No problem. And if you get anything new also, ab thoda pass kar dijiye, hum log ka use ho
Yes,
jayega.
sir.
So very good. It's a very
2
useful.
PDFs.
Yeah. 2
I have
PDFs.
2 PDFs. First one is insurance static and second one is financial static. I will share that one.
Yeah, please share that also. We will just go through that. Once you present it here, there will be a compulsion on our part to go through that and read it thoroughly. It will help us improve our level. Good. So
Yes, yesterday, sir, I was going to the website of LIC. There I found another app.
Acha,
called-
what is that app?
It's LIC app only. Second one, I haven't said that.
I think you gave one to us.
All in one app, sir.
All in one
It's-
app. Yeah.
There is another app called LIC Digital. It's
Sir,
given in the website of
I-
LIC. only.
Arigaran has come. Arigaran, enna late inniki? Arigara.
சார் கொஞ்சம் ஆபீஸ்ல இருந்து வந்தேன் டைம் ஆச்சு 9:15 I am coming at 9:15 sir.
That's parallel. It's okay. Sufficient. No problem. Arigaran, sorry, not Arigaran.
Sir, I am sharing on.
Yeah, please share.
Sir.
Yeah, share.
Sir, I asked my friend about the LIC interview. She is working in a IDBI bank, sir. I asked to you in IDBI bank, what are the products you delivered to customers? She told I used only one app, that is all-in-one app. In that app, I delivered all the policy to customers. This is the important one. She told me, sir.
All in one.
That,
yeah.
that one to you,
I
sir.
think Mantu also gave the same thing, na? Mantu, you gave one app, na? Recently.
Yes, sir. There are 2 apps. One
that app only, sir.
1 minute. Let me see where I have kept it. because I am posting so many materials, confusion हो जाता
सर
है.
मैंने वो कर दिया, पिन पॉइंट कर दिया फिर से.
Pin कर दिया.
यस सर, मैसेज
अच्छा,
आया ना एक.
can we pin it in our WhatsApp also? No. किधर पिन किया आपने?
मतलब सर एक मैसेज सेंड कर दिया हुआ डॉट करके.
अच्छा अच्छा, मैसेज सेंड कर दिया. Very good.
ये तो रहा
Thank-
सर, ये सामने रहा.
Yeah.
थैंक्स लिखा है आपने.
Yeah, 1 minute. This one, Play Google Com Store. Correct? Correct. Oh, this one, all in one calc. Install करना है. Can we install on desk laptop? No. Oh, it will go to Google Pixel only. Array, it is useless. I will take care of that afterwards. I'll get it installed and I'll use it. Thank you so much, Mantu. Very good. So tomorrow we will come again. Before coming tomorrow, what should you study?
Plans.
Based on this app, na? Based on this app.
On the website there are
No.
5 to 8 plans.
अच्छा भी उसका पहले है. I think it is good for us to go through this. Difference in banking. Here,
Yes,
difference in banking, difference between bank and NBFC, difference between savings account, current account, difference between check and demand draft. ये सब पढ़ेगा हम लोग. So please go through that. I think it is a 20 pages material. Please read that and come tomorrow. Okay, all of you.
सर कहाँ पे है? वही ड्राइव में.
हमारा ड्राइव में दिया है. And whatever I speak from the drive only.
I'm
Here.
not able to see it.
Here I am showing you. I am showing you. This is D for difference in banking. You can see it now.
Yes sir.
Are you seeing it now?
Yes sir. D for difference in.
Yeah, G for difference in. And this also I am very fond of this material. Bankers अड्डा interview बहुत बार आप लोग का बोला है हमने. ये सब भी आप लोग साना अंसारी ये पढ़ लिया आपने? पढ़ा नहीं है?
पढ़ा है सर.
पढ़ा है. Good. Very happy. You are a good student. You obey whatever is being told. I really appreciate Sana and Mantu and Harigaran also. Harigaran, you are a good student. I want you to ensure success this time because you are already aged. You are 28, 29, na?
Yes, sir. 30, sir.
30. See, you must make it up now. You are forward class or back?
Yes,
OBC?
sir.
Forward. Then
Yes, sir. OBC.
OBC means no problem. Another 3 years will be there. 31. No? Up to 31 years
30,
or 33?
30, I am 30.
Eligibility is up to 31 or 33?
I don't know, sir.
What is the maximum age for joining this
I don't know
AAO?
that, sir.
If you say like this, I can't give you AAO post.
31.
You must know what Sana Ansari, tell me what is the maximum age?
No idea, sir. As I am 22 years
31,
old,
I
so
think.
not interested.
Not
28 ही
interested.
होता है. 28 और 2-3 साल एक्स्ट्रा मिलते हैं सर.
I think Atta is only 28 only, 3 years extension 31. And next AAO in, selection may be in 2027.
29 sir.
27 because last time it was 2019. 4 years means 23. Same 4 years if you keep 27. And if you add one more, 28 में आएगा. So don't miss this chance.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है, पूछूं?
पूछिए.
सर अगर वो पूछेंगे जैसे बोलेंगे इतने यंग हो आप, तो आप तुमको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वाला काम संभाल लोगे, तो क्या बोलेंगे?
What did you say? पूरा समझ में नहीं आता है.
सर ये अगर उन्होंने बोला इतनी यंग एज में तुम इतनी बड़ी पोस्ट संभाल लोगे, ऐसा अगर पूछा तो क्या बोलने का?
Correct.
22 years old.
22, yeah. You are only 22. How are you going to manage this? then you can
Yes,
say,
sir.
no, sir, I was leader in my college and I have been shouldering more responsibilities in my house. And I am interested in taking up more work. Jarur karega. You should speak in such a way that they are impressed.
What if they ask example from my life?
No,
Sam?
you can say I was a group leader in many projects where I have done. You tell 2-3 projects. And I am confident I will do it. I am confident of doing it. आप ऐसा बोला. You should not say I will try to do it. You should say I will do it. हम जरूर करेंगे. हम कोशिश करेंगे नहीं बोलना है. You should say
Yes,
हम
sir.
जरूर करेंगे बोलना है. ठीक है?
Yes,
ये
sir.
सब जितना बात बोलते हैं उसका बारे होता है एंड आपका दिमाग में जो लिखा है उसका बारे में होता है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please
Yeah.
answer it.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can I answer it?
Yeah, please answer.
Yes, sir. Sir,
No,
because
wow.
I am also 7
1
years
minute.
old.
1 minute. I'll stop.